This is a small little LED racer. This is called the Force1 Cyclone LED racer. And what it is, the tires are LED and they light up. Comes with a remote, flashing LED tires, double-sided driving. So I guess that means it can go upside down and all. And it's also part of the STEM program. If you know what that is, you'll know what I'm talking about. This can flip and go racer, fast, flashing, fun. You know, it's 2.4 gigahertz, so it actually uses Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth. It's flashing red tires, 360 spins, and it's USB rechargeable, so you don't even need batteries with this thing. Let's go ahead and open it up, and let's see what this thing looks like. I think this would be a great gift for any kid that's just wanting to play with the toy cars. Wow, that thing looks really good. And looking over the little user manual here, okay, you see the user manual goes over on how to charge it. You can also download their app and learn a little more, but let's just go ahead and take this thing. That looks cool. I might be playing with this. It looks like you're gonna have to put the batteries in. Okay, I can tell you right now, I see how they've done it. Let me go ahead and put the batteries in and get this thing set up, and then I'll let you know what it does. Okay, everybody, I just went ahead and put the batteries in. So the battery for this is already installed. All you got to do is go in and connect it there, and that was super simple. Then you put the screw in there. You're going to screw all of this down, and it gives you an actual backup battery for the car. So you have 2 batteries for the car. Now this uses 2 AA batteries. So I went ahead and put some AA batteries in there, and then you're going to screw that down, and then to turn it on, the red side, and as soon as you turn it on, you can see the LED lights right there, and you can see the lights right there. And then you turn that on. Already, look at that, everybody. I can tell you, this is very responsive. Look at the latency in that. Very high quality toy. This is actually, let me put it down on the ground. So it's in grass. This thing will go in grass too. Oh, that's cool. So when you hit the button here, look how it's dual wheel on that side, and then so these control the left tires, these control the right tires. I see how it works. So if I want to go forward, both of them, and then if I want to go back, so both of them that way. See how I can do 2 down? Look how responsive this thing is. Very cool. I could play with this thing for hours. I could already tell you, I like this thing a lot. I highly recommend it. I'm going to have a great time with this thing. So this is something I think would be great for any kid that's just wanting to like experiment around with some RC cars. Good introduction to RC car. The tires are very tough on it, extremely grippy, and they seem to kind of rotate in all different directions. And you know what? It's LEDs all over it. You can see the LEDs inside the tires and on the back. So it works at night and day. Very easy. And you know what? It went in grass. How about that? So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Force1 Cyclone LED. See you all in the next video.